Fruits and vegetables are very nutrient-dense, meaning that they're low in calories. But high in antioxidants, fiber, and an assortment of vitamins and minerals. They may also boost weight loss and fat burning, making them a must-have for any building diet. Nuts and seeds provide the perfect balance of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, all of which can be incredibly beneficial for getting abs. In a 6-week study in 48 people, eating 1.5 ounces of almonds per day led to significant reductions in belly fat. Another study in 26 people showed that eating 1.2 ounces of chia flour daily for 12 weeks decreased body weight and waist circumference. Legumes are a family of plants that include lentils, beans, peas, and peanuts. They're typically a great source of essential nutrients like protein, fiber, B vitamins, iron, copper, magnesium, and zinc. In particular, eating more protein has been linked to improvements in body composition and reductions in belly fat.